Hi children, welcome back to your science class. In the last class we started block 13, cooking food. So we studied why do we need to cook food. Today we are going to discuss some of the cooking methods. Okay, so we know we are cooking food in different way. Different methods are used to cooking food. So which are the cooking methods we used? Yes, some of the important cooking methods we use are, yes, boiling, then steaming, the next one it is frying, then grilling and baking. These are the some of the cooking methods we use. Okay, so which are the cooking methods we use to cook food? Boiling, steaming, frying, grilling and baking. Okay, so what do you mean by boiling? Yes, boiling means cooking food, boiling the food in water, isn't it? So boiling means boiling food in water. What is needed for boiling the food? Okay, so example for the foods that can be boiled. Yes, which are the examples we can give? Yes, potato, pulses. And you can write many other examples also you can give it. You can give egg, then rice. Like that, so many examples we can give. So boiling means boiling food in water. Examples: potato, pulses that can be boiled. Okay. Then second one it is steaming. What do you mean by steaming? Yes, cooking food over the steam. Cooking food over the steam is called steaming. So examples of the food that can be cooked by steaming. Yes, we can give the examples: idlis and momos. Momos is a Chinese dish. Okay. So steaming means cooking food over the steam. So how the steam will come from the water? Yes, when the water is heated. When the water is heated, steam will come out, isn't it? Through that steam, food is prepared by using steaming method. Okay, steaming means cooking food over the steam. So examples for steaming, the food can be prepared by using steaming method: idlis and momos. Okay, the next one it is frying. What do you mean by frying? Yes, frying means cooking food by using oil. Okay, frying means cooking food by using oil. So which are the food can be cooked by using oil? Yes, vadas, chips, etc. And then we know fish, chicken, everything we can fry, isn't it? So we can write the examples: chips and vadas. Chips, vadas that can be used. That can be cooked by using frying method. So frying means cooking food by using oil. Example: chips and vadas. Okay. The next one it is grilling. Grilling means cooking food over the fire. So which are the food can be made by using grilling method? Yes. Examples we can give: paneer tikka. Then we know children, we are eating grilled chicken, isn't it? Grilled chicken, we can write vegetables also can be done by using grilling method. So you can write chicken also we can make by grilling. Chicken, vegetables, grilled chicken we are eating, isn't it? Okay, so grilling, what do you mean by grilling? Grilling means cooking food over the fire. Examples for the food that can be cooked by grilling method: paneer tikka, chicken, vegetable. Okay, so these are the some of the examples. Naan is another food item can be cooked by using grilling method. Naan. Okay. Then next method it is baking. What do you mean by baking? Baking means cooking food by using micro oven. Okay, cooking food in micro oven are called baking. So through baking, what are the foods we can make? Yes, we can make cakes. Then we can make bread. Then biscuits, okay, then cookies. This all we can say as an example for the food that can be made by using baking method. Okay, so what are the food items can be made by baking method? Yes, cakes, bread, biscuits, cookies, all we can write as an example for baking. Okay, so baking means cooking food over the micro oven are called baking. Okay, so these are the some of the method used to cooking food. Yes, boiling, steaming, frying, grilling, baking. Boiling, we can boil the food like potato and pulses are the example. Then steaming, idlis and momos. Frying, chips and vadas can be fried. Grilling, paneer tikka, chicken, naan, etc. The food can be cooked by using grilling method. Baking, cakes, bread, biscuits and cookies also we can write example for the food that can be made by baking method. So these are the some cooking methods used to make. Which is the most healthiest method among this method? Yes, among this method, which is the most healthiest method? Yes, steaming is the most healthiest method. Why steaming is more healthiest? It is because of, yes, in steaming method, through steaming method, we cook food over the steam. So it will not reduce the nutrients in the food. Okay, it will not reduce us the nutrients from the food. So steaming is the good method of cooking. Okay, healthiest way of cooking is steaming because it will not reduce us the nutrients from the food. Okay, so these are the cooking methods we have to study. Now let us discuss the cooking appliances and utensils used for cooking. Cooking utensils or appliances. So we know for cooking food we need different kinds of utensils. So can you say some of the examples of utensils used for cooking? Yes, we can use pot. Then we can use pan is used. Then pressure cooker is used. Pressure cooker. Then wok or kadai. These are the some of the cooking utensils used for cooking food. So for a pot, pan, pressure cooker, wok, kadai, etc. are the some of the wok or kadai. These are the some of the utensils used for cooking food. So pot can be used for boiling, isn't it? We can boil the food through pot. Pan is used for, yes, frying pan is there, saucepan is there. So frying pan we can use for frying, isn't it? Then pressure cooker or steamer can be used for steaming. Then wok or kadai we can use for frying or we can boil. Okay, frying or boiling. Okay, so these are the some of the utensils used for cooking food. Then we know some appliances also we use to cooking appliances also, utensils and cooking appliances we use for cooking food. Yes, gas stove. Then we know micro oven is used, isn't it? So these are the some of the cooking appliances we use for cooking. Okay, so see children, for cooking food in gas stove we will use this pot, pan or pressure cooker, wok or kadai, like that utensils, right? Because we cannot keep other type of vessels like plastic, glass and all, we cannot keep on fire, isn't it? Then we can use plastic, glass and all in the oven, isn't it? So these are the some of the cooking appliances or utensils used for cooking food. Then we know some another way we are cooking food by using sunlight, isn't it? Sunlight also used for cooking food. Can you say the name of the cooking appliances we can cook food? Yes, it is solar cooker. Solar cooker is used for cooking food. How so in solar cooker food is cooked? Yes, food is cooked by using sunlight. Okay, so solar cooker also another cooking appliance we can use for cooking food. Okay, then we know most of these cooking utensils are made of metals, isn't it? Metals are easily become hot, you studied. So that is why metals are used for making cooking utensils. And we know some utensils are made by plastic and glasses also. It cannot be used in on the gas stove. Okay, so this much only you have to study about cooking utensils or appliances. First one, it is cooking methods, page number 26. Take your workbook, page number 26, cooking methods. Write date at first. So you can see some of the pictures here. These are some of the cooking methods. So we have to find out the answers from the top. You can see some of the answers are given here. So first picture, what children? Yes, first picture it is boiling. First picture it is boiling. Second picture it is baking. Second picture it is baking. Third picture it is frying. Third picture it is frying. And fourth picture it is steaming. Okay, these are the some of the pictures given here. Cooking methods. Picture of cooking methods. Then second question is, write the names of any two food items that are cooked using this method. So first method is given there, baking. So what are the examples we can give children? Yes, we can write biscuits. Biscuits and cakes also we can write, okay, or cookies. Bread also we can give the answer. Then second one it is boiling. What we can write the, yes, boiling potato. Yes, potato and rice we can give, pulses also you can write. Okay, any answers we can give, rice, egg. Okay, then third one, steaming. Steaming we can give idlis and momos. Idlis, momos. Then next one, frying. Frying we can write chips and vadas. Chips and vadas we can give. The next one, if you want to make a dish using paneer, would you fry or bake paneer? Why? Yes, what we will do children? Will you bake or will you fry paneer? Which is the correct way of cooking? Yes, I will bake paneer because frying uses lot of oil. It is not good for our health. Okay, so how can we write the answer? Yes, we will bake paneer. Paneer because frying uses a lot of oil. It is not good for our health. It is not good for our health. Okay. It is not good for our health. This much only you have to do the worksheet S2. Okay, then next we can discuss worksheet S3. S3, cooking appliances. So complete the table is the first question. So it is given here, cooking, method of cooking is given in one column, utensils used in second column, picture of the utensils in third column. So first is given for you, method of cooking it is steaming, utensils used steamer and picture is given here. Okay, then second one, you can see the picture is given, other things we have to fill. So which utensil is this children? Yes, it is saucepan. It is saucepan. Saucepan is used for boiling. So what we can write the method of cooking? Boiling. Boiling. Then which is used for boiling? Saucepan. Or we can use pot also, right? And pressure cooker also can be used for boiling food. So boiling, saucepan, picture is given here. Next one, no picture, nothing is given. So we have to write any one method of cooking and we can write the utensils used and we can draw the picture there. So any method you can write. Frying, then frying pan and picture of frying pan you can draw, or micro oven. Baking, method is baking, the utensil is oven. So like that you can use any answers you can, any method of cooking you can write here. Okay, so I wrote here, I am writing here frying. Then what is used? Frying pan is used. Frying pan. Then draw the picture like this, frying pan. Okay, so you can do your own answer. Then second one is name the cooking appliance. Which cooking appliance is this? Yes, it is soda cooker. It is soda cooker. Then yes, How is food cooked in this appliance? Yes, the food is cooked by using sunlight. Solar cooker, the food is cooked by using sunlight. The food is cooked by using sunlight. Sunlight. Okay. The food is cooked by using sunlight. Next question is, which utensils would you use to boil a potato? Why? To boil a potato, what type of utensils can be used? Yes, we can use pot or pressure cooker. Why? For boiling, water is must, isn't it? So, it can be filled with water. Pot or pressure cooker can be filled with water. So, which is useful? Pot or pressure cooker. So, how can we give the answer? Yes, I would use pot or pressure cooker. Pot or pressure cooker. Because it can be filled with water. It can be filled with water. Okay, it can be filled with water. So I would use pot or pressure cooker. It will be filled with the water. So this is the way you can write the answers. Okay. Now let us discuss some of the practice question given. Yes. First, second question we already completed. Third question, name 2 dishes that can be made by the following cooking methods. So boiling, what are the foods we can boil, children? Yes, we can make, we can write potato, pulses, rice, or we can give examples. Second one, steaming, yes, idlis and momos. Frying, yes, frying chips and vadas we can write. Baking, biscuits, cookies, cakes, bread, etc. we can write. Okay. Then fourth question, which is the healthiest way of cooking? Why? Which is the healthiest way of cooking? Steaming, because the food is cooked over the steam and it retains the nutrients in the food. Okay. So we can write it is better to cook. Steaming is the best way of cooking food because it will we cook food over the steam and it will retains the nutrients in the food. Next one, circle the odd one out, give reason for your choice. Spoon, plate, wok. Which is the odd one? Yes, it is wok, because wok is used for cooking and rest are used for serving food. Okay, wok is used for cooking and rest are used for serving food. Tumbler, pot, pan. Which is the odd one? Tumbler. Tumbler is used for drinking water. Other rest are used for cooking food. Okay. Tumbler is used for drinking water and rest are used for cooking food. Knife, peeler, plate. Which is the odd one? Plate. Plate is used for serving food. Rest are used for to cut or peel fruits and vegetables. Okay. So knife, peeler, plate. Which is odd one? Plate. Plate is used for serving food, but rest are used for cut and peel fruits and vegetables. Okay. So this much enough for today's class. Hope you all understood today's class. So we can meet in the next class. Okay. Bye.